Okay, so I know many of you are gonna be disgusted about this. That's chicken, right? This chicken is good. It's like organic chicken. What? This is organic chicken, and it has an egg inside because this is hen chicken. This is a hen soup. This is not just chicken. This is hen. See what I'm saying? This is awesome. So there's an egg inside. Oh my god. Great. And it doesn't matter what you think. Whether it tastes better or good. I can tell you, this tastes great, man. It's not about the it's not about the egg. It's about just the organic chicken. Yum. Yum, yum.